Unit 1, Introduction to Computer Systems. In this unit, we are going to learn information processing cycle, and we are going to see different input and output devices, and in detail we are going to learn keyboard and mouse. A computer is a device for working with information. The information can be numbers, words, pictures, movies or sounds. The computer information is also called as data. Computer can process huge amount of data very quickly. Every computer follows simple series of events for information processing. It starts with the input. An input is any information that goes into the computer. It might be pressing any keys of the keyboard or mouse. It can be from camera or it can be from touch screen. The device that provide the information to the computer are known as input devices. Once the computer has received this input, it calculates what this information means and how it needs to be responded. This is called processing, and it is done by the computer system's central processing unit, that is CPU. As soon as the computer finishes this working out, the computer produces output. Output is the way for the computer to communicate with the outside world. This can include sounds, pictures or text. The device which the computer uses to communicate with the outside world are known as output devices. You might think, how does this computer know what to do? And this is done by the programs. All computer systems needs set of instructions called programs which tells the computer to decide what to do. It can be as simple as a calculator or it can be as huge as a computer. The final part of the information processing cycle is the storage. Storage is a place where the data is to be stored for the later use. The device that stores the information are known as storage devices. The computer system needs input and output devices for getting and to display the information to the user. The different input devices are keyboard, mouse, touch screen, touchpad, scanner, camera, microphone, etc. Keyboard is an input device for a computer system. The basic PC keyboard layout has 104 keys. Computer keyboards are usually begin with QWERT, and it was designed for the typewriters. In this keyboard, frequently used letters were spread apart so that it will be easier to type. Keyboard layout is made up of alphanumeric keys, modifier keys, function keys, cursor direction keys, numeric pad and special purpose keys. Function keys are positioned on the top row of the keyboard. They are labeled F1, F2, F3 and on up to F12. These keys act as shortcuts performing certain functions like saving files, printing data or refreshing page. Cursor control keys are also known as arrow keys. There are 4 cursor control keys that are used to move the text cursor in the direction of their arrows. Numeric keys are used to type the numbers and the normal keys which are used to type the alphabets. Lock keys are used to lock a part of keyboard. When the caps lock key is activated, it allows the user to generate letters in uppercase without pressing the shift button. When the numlock key is activated, the numbers on the numeric keyboard can be pressed and it will be displayed on the screen. Special keys perform special functions which are not included in the traditional keyboard, and it is also called as media key or multimedia key. Mouse is an input device that controls the cursor which is displayed on the screen. The mouse can be mechanical or optical. Mechanical mouse uses rubber ball that makes contact with the wheel inside the unit when it is rolled. And the optical mouse uses a light source, LED, a light detector to detect the movement of the mouse. Mouse contains click buttons left and right, and it contains trackball which can be rolled to scroll the screen. Mouse pointer arrow which is displayed on the screen when the mouse is moved. Every mouse has at least two buttons. The left mouse button is used to click, select or to open an object on the computer screen. You can click on the left button, hold it and drag the mouse to highlight the text or the area which you have selected. The right mouse button is used to give additional informations, or it can be used to view the properties of the right-clicked item. Computer mouse can also use the wheel as a button. Pressing down on the mouse wheel acts as a button, and its actions depends on the software installed with the mouse. By default, the middle button is used to open the link which is on the browser in a new tab. CMOS sensor of a mouse detects light. It is the same kind of technology that is used in the digital cameras. When you move your mouse, the CMOS sensor records the surface that you are moving the mouse on. By tracking the movement of the surface, it can tell which way you are moving the mouse. Mouse has small red light emitting diode that emits light of that surface onto CMOS sensor that is known as LED light. Lens allows maintenance of cornea hydration, helps to prevent cataract formation during the lengthy image sessions. The mouse uses light source to detect movement relative to the surface. Other input devices are pen, joystick, gamepad, barcode readers, optical character reader, optical mark reader, magnetic ink character recognizer, bank checks. Output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, plotter, flat panel display, electronic ink display, projector. Important characteristics of output devices are size, resolution, refresh rate, and dot pitch. Size is measured diagonally in inches from lower left corner to the upper right. Resolution refers to the clarity of image displayed on the screen, and it is determined by the number of pixels on the entire screen. Refresh rate means the number of times a display refreshes in a second. The higher refresh rate is generally better as it displays the content smoother. Dot pitch is the distance between the same colored phosphor dots of adjacent pixel on a screen. A printer is a hardware output device that is used to generate hard copy and to print any document. A document can be of any type, such as a text file, image, or combination of both. It accepts input command by the users on a computer or on other devices to print the document. Characteristics of printer are speed, quality, memory, and type. Speed is a measure of the number of characters or lines printed per unit time. Quality is the shape of the character produced by the printer. Printer has temporary memory. It holds the output information sent by the computer, and it is also called as printer buffer. There are two types of printer. One is impact printer and second one is non-impact printer. Impact printer does physical contact between printer head and the paper, whereas in non-impact printers there is no physical contact with the paper.